Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now I am going to discuss about predicting the compressive strength of a recycled concrete using Elizabeth learning model. First, I am going to discuss our overview of the project. The main objective of the project is to predict the concrete compressive strength, and this project uses machine learning to predict how strong concrete will be, and the data includes different ingredients used in the concrete and how long it has been curing. And the next step, first the data is cleaned and scaled, so all features on the same scale, and then three different machine learning models are trained trained to learn from the data, or random forest, polynomial regression, and XGBoost. These three models are tested and compared. How will they predict the strength? And then XGBoost performance the best. This is our abstract of my project. This is our workflow diagram. First, we need to collect the data set from Kaggle and carry out to the preprocessing step, handling the missing values, and carry out to the data splitting. The whole data set split, train and test, and carry out to the regression model. I used three models like random forest, polynomial regression, and XGBoost, and carry out to the performance metrics. I calculate mean square error, R square score, root mean square error, and mean absolute error, and finally predicted strength or not. Now see our demo of our project. This is the register page of the project. The user needs to enter the username, email ID, password, confirm password. All fields are required and checked before the submission. Successfully registered, the data is stored in a database. Already the user registered the page. Directly going to the login page, the user must enter the username, password. This helps keep the system secure and prevents unauthorized access. Click login. After login, the user entered this page and I click flow. First, we need to collect the data set and pre-processing. Click choose file. Select our data set. Click upload and display. Display our data set. There is no missing values are there. And the next step is regression models are used. Random forest, polynomial regression, and XGBoost. Display our regression models result. Performance matrix are calculated, or mean square error, R square score, root mean square error, and mean absolute square error. This is the comparison graph. And the next step is prediction. And I click prediction. This is our attribute of our data set. The user entered the cement value and the blast furnace slag value and the fly ash value, and enter the water value, and enter the superplasticizer value, and entered coarse aggregate value, and entered fine aggregate value, and enter the age, and click our juice model. I used XGBoost regression and I click prediction. It shows the predictive the compressive strength value, and the next click logout. It redirect to the register page. This is our project.